Hello and welcome to UPSC IAS Brain. Today we will discuss about some myths about UPSC IAS exam preparation. The first one is, they say IAS exam is the mother of all exams. Is it? No, wrong. This is just another exam. The mother of all exams is life. You can afford to fail in IAS but not in life. So take IAS preparation or UPSC exam preparation as a phase in life, not as your life. They say IAS exam is not for faint-hearted, is it? If you think you are a faint-hearted, better start preparing for IAS soon. It makes you stone-hearted. One topper in an interview said that she studied 20 hours every day for 365 days. Is this true? Okay, maybe she suffered from insomnia. Even now, she will be working 20 hours a day as an IAS officer. On a serious note, good sleep is very necessary for UPSC exam preparation. It keeps you in good health. Don't study beyond 40 hours unless you suffer from insomnia. My English is very poor. They say I am out of the race. Am I? No, not at all. You are still part of the race. Now you have figured out the problem that your English is poor. Work on it. All you need is basic English. Moreover, you can write this exam and give the interview in your mother tongue. Buy a basic grammar book, read it, listen to English news on TV, radio, try to write something in English every day. Don't worry if it is a very bad, keep trying. Necessity should be push you to learn, push yourself, win the race. I can't go to Delhi because of some personal reasons. They say it is a mecca for IAS aspirants. Okay, you can't go to Delhi. Wow, that's great. These days you can study from home itself. IAS preparation and UPSC exam preparation is neither religion nor life to seek enlightenment in a faraway concrete desert. Do your duty sincerely. If pleased, Almighty UPSC will call you to its shrine. If pleased with your personality, it will give you a pass to heaven, the IAS. Why go there uninvited? So, how can I study from a home? These days you can buy books from online. Every topper has studied the same set of books as lakhs of aspirants do every year. The difference is that toppers plan their studies and execute those plans well. They practice writing, they take tests, they are confident, and they also have some luck. Oh, so luck is needed for this exam. Yes, you are right. Only if you think you are unlucky. Anyway, let me modify a famous quote for you. Success is 1% luck and 99% perception. Don't let that 99% thing slip from your hand. It was my last attempt. I failed in prelims. Now I want to kill myself. You want to kill yourself? First, kill your ego, not yourself. You took a journey but couldn't reach the destination. It doesn't mean the end of your life or end of the road. Start a new phase in your life from where you are now. Though lakhs of aspirants apply and write this exam, the real competition between only 2,000 to 3,000 serious aspirants. Those who study systematically and consistently get into service. If you do the same, you will be one among them. Don't have fears even before you start. You must enter the race and work hard to win it. Remember this, make the process fun, enjoy reading, love what you do, and do everything to please your heart, not the society. They say there is a corruption in recruiting IAS officers. Is this true? This allegation is utterly false. Okay, there may be loopholes in how an UPSC member is appointed, but there is never corruption involved in the recruitment of civil services officers. The steel produced is pure. They say IAS is the best job on the earth. Is it? Well, I thought becoming the president of US was the best thing on the earth. Anyway, the above statement is wrong. At least in India, it is the best job, right? Yes. If you want to make a positive impact on the lives of thousands of people, IAS is the best job. But you have to swim in the ocean infested by so many sharks. So you should know how to swim. Be fearless. Thank you for watching. Please share the video with your fellow aspirants.